a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Koffee with Karan. Koffee with Karan is an Indian talk show hosted by film producer and director Karan Johar. First airing on the 19th of November 2004 on Star World India, the show concluded its fifth season on the 19th of March 2017. On the 18th of August 2018, Karan Johar tweeted that the sixth season will premiere on the 21st of October 2018. Overview. Koffee with Karan is produced by Faisalu Alana and Kamna Nola Menezes. The producers were involved with the Star Parivar Awards in 2004 and approached Karan Johar about hosting the event. He declined the offer, stating, "I don't mind anchoring a show, but I'd rather it was a chat show." The idea was pitched to the heads of Star India who, impressed with Joh's hosting skills at the first Zee Cine Awards, ordered the show without a pilot. According to the producers, the concept of the show revolves around spilling the beans while having a hot cuppa. They have stated that Johar is the brain behind the show, and that he sits on everything. About hosting a television chat show, Johar says, "I chat all the time, on the phone, at parties. I decided, might as well get paid for all the talking." The show quickly became popular, becoming the #1 show for Star World India in 2005. Only Zee Cafe's syndication of Friends beat Koffee with Karan in ratings in 2005. This meant that the talk show was the top Indian English-language television show that year. Originally targeted at the 15-34 years age group, the show found approval from outside that range of viewers. The popularity prompted Star India to relaunch the show in Star 1 in 2005 and in later seasons, simulcast on it altogether. Koffee with Karan is noted for its uniqueness, especially that of Joh's style of hosting. Its success is credited, in particular, to the fact that it is able to rope in some of the biggest names in the Indian entertainment industry. Most of his guests Karan considers his friends, and he mentions that due to that relationship, he has to strike a balance between being overcautious and over-friendly. In what is called his trademark chatty manner, Johar is seen coaxing the guests, cajoling them, and grilling them, and it is indeed their confessions and revelations that generate the most media attention. Specifically, the rapid-fire segment of the show has garnered the most notoriety, being dubbed infamous for the statements made during that round, which are often revealing. Seasons. Koffee with Karan premiered on the 19th of November 2004 with guests Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol, the lead pair from Jaws, at the time, two directorial ventures, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. The show aired at 9 p.m. every Friday until the 27th of March 2005, with the exception of New Year's Eve and the 25th of February. Shah Rukh Khan made his third appearance in the season finale alongside Amitabh Bachchan, another co-star from Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. Additional guests for the finale included Kajol, Jaya Bachchan, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Farhan Akhtar, and Farah Khan. Season 2 began airing on the 11th of February 2007. Broadcast of the show was changed to the 9 p.m. Sunday slot, and it was simulcasted on Star 1 alongside Star World. For the 15th episode of the season, Hollywood actor Richard Gere appeared as the sole guest. The season wrapped up on the 16th of September 2007 with introduction of the Koffee Awards. By May 2010, it was confirmed that Season 3 was set to air that year. Initially reported to air in July or August. Season 3 premiered on the 7th of November 2010 with guests Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan. Indian tennis player Mahesh Bhupathi appeared alongside his then fiancée and now wife Lara Dutta. He is the first ever sports personality to be featured on the show. The Koffee Awards was brought back for the Season 3 finale, which aired on the 17th of April 2011. The 8th of September 2013, Karan Johar told Ians, "Koffee with Karan will be on air in December. I will start shooting for it in December." Later that month, Salman Khan was confirmed to make his debut in the season premiere, which aired on the 1st of December 2013. The premiere also saw the appearance of Khan's father, veteran screenwriter Salim Khan, who joined him halfway through in the episode. Along with Khan, many other established Bollywood celebrities appeared for the first time this season. They include Aamir Khan, Kiran Rao, Akshay Kumar, Imran Hashmi, Mahesh Bhatt, Anurag Kashyap, Juhi Chawla, and Rohit Shetty. While the show has retained its 9 p.m. Sunday slot since the second season, the 14th episode of Season 4, featuring India-born Hollywood actress Freida Pinto and Nargis Fakhri, was moved to the 11 p.m. slot reportedly due to the channel's view that the content was too bold for prime-time viewing. Several celebrities who were regulars in the past, including Rani Mukherjee, Hrithik Roshan, Saif Ali Khan, Sanjay Dutt, Ekta Kapoor, John Abraham, and Lara Dutta, did not appear in Season 4, with the most notable absence being that of Shah Rukh Khan. Both Khan and Saif Ali Khan have since appeared on the show in the following season. While replying to his followers' tweets on the 6th of March 2016, Johar revealed that Season 5 will be back later that year. On the 6th of October, Johar confirmed the first episode will air on the 6th of November 2016 at its usual time slot. Going back to tradition, the season premiered with Shah Rukh Khan as the featured guest, who was joined by Alia Bhatt, both having recently worked on Dear Zindagi, of which Johar was a producer. Twinkle Khanna made her first appearance on the show in Season 5, appearing alongside her husband Akshay Kumar. Veteran actor Jackie Shroff also made his debut this season. He came on in the 13th episode along with his son, actor Tiger Shroff. Indian tennis player Sania Mirza appeared in the 14th episode, becoming the second sports personality to be on the show. The Koffee Awards, which were not given out in Season 4, was brought back and aired as the penultimate episode of the season, with the finale, a best-of episode, being aired on the 19th of March 2017. On the 24th of April 2018, Johar confirmed Season 6 to be out in 2018, breaking the usual trend of a season every 3 years. On the 18th of August, Johar tweeted that the season premiere will air on the 21st of October 2018. On the 28th of September, Johar confirmed that the season premiere will feature Deepika Padukone and Alia Bhatt. Controversy. Koffee with Karan, and host Karan Johar in particular, came under widely publicized criticism following the airing of the third episode of Season 3 featuring guests Deepika Padukone and Sonam Kapoor. Johar asked them to speak about Ranbir Kapoor, with whom they have both worked in the past. Padukone and Ranbir Kapoor had also dated for about 2 years and broke up prior to her appearance on the talk show. When discussing the breakup, Padukone said of Kapoor, "I think he needs to work on his boyfriend skills." She also alluded to Kapoor cheating on her. Sonam Kapoor, who co-starred with Kapoor in their debut film Sawaria, commented that he badly needed a stylist and was unsexy. After the episode aired, Rishi Kapoor and Neeta Singh, parents of Ranbir Kapoor, had reportedly taken issue with the host and the comments made by the actresses. Rishi Kapoor blamed Johar for instigating both the actresses to say all those things. Kapoor, who had made multiple appearances on the show with his wife, said they did so out of love for Johar, and criticized him, saying he provokes guests on his show to get better TRPs and should not encourage people to wash dirty linen in public. Deepika Padukone, Sonam Kapoor, and Ranbir Kapoor have since appeared on the show in subsequent seasons. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?